This is Kumar Taurani. Hello and good evening, everyone. First and foremost, I hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. Today on the call, I am joined by Mr. Girish Taurani, our Executive Director, and Mr. Sunil Chelani, CFO for Tips Industries, and Mr. Avtar Singh, he's VP Finance, Tips Industries, and Oriental Capital, our investor relation partners. We have uploaded our investor deck and results highlights on the stock exchanges and company website. I hope everybody had an opportunity to go through the same. I would like to share a brief overview about the industry and our growth strategies going forward. This would be followed by the operational and financial performance for the fourth quarter and financial year ended FY21. Post that, we will open the floor for Q&A. We are in the era of technology transformation, which has accelerated consumer adoption of mobile and connected devices globally and especially in the emerging markets like India. The landscape of India's media and entertainment M&E industry has been transforming rapidly. This technological advancements and consumer preferences have reshaped the music industry, and new monetization opportunities are still evolving. As per industry report, 4 billion new connected consumer devices is to be added by 2024 globally. Increasing usage of smart devices and increasing penetration of internet users widens the target audience for music companies. Internet platforms comprised 68% of total revenues in 2020, up from 54% in 2018 for the global music industry. As per the FICCI EY Media and Entertainment Report 2020, Indian music segment grew 8.3% to reach rupees 15.3 billion in 2019 and is expected to cross 20 billion mark by 2022. This is largely on the back of increasing digital revenues and performance rights. In India, consumers spend 21 and a half hours a week listening to music compared to global average of 17.8 hours. Also, 97% of music consumed is on the smartphones. Paid subscribers for music streaming in India are expected to cross 5 million by 2023. Paid subscription generated 9.1% of the Indian music industry's streaming revenue in 2019 and grew by 50% in 2020. Music listeners aged 16 to 44 years are more likely to pay for audio streaming as they prefer an ad-free experience. The autonomy to listen to anything at any time, convenience of listening on mobile phones, and access to large libraries with varied content is increasing penetration and consumption of music and improving willingness to pay for seamless listening experience. Indian music industry is bound to grow due to increasing telecom subscribers, rising data consumption, fast and cheap data networks, coupled with rising digital advertising spends. Other key highlights for Indian music industries are as follows. Number of monthly active audio streaming users are grown from 165 million in 2019 to 200 million in 2020. Average monthly stream count was over 10 billion streams in first half of 2020 and crossed 11 billion streams per month during lockdown. On an average, Indians spend 2.4 hours on social media, which is at par with the global average. This is a new source of revenue for the industry. 53% of internet users watch videos on YouTube on a monthly basis. The numbers being as high as 72% for 18 to 24 age group. We at Tips have a presence across platforms and have multiple partnerships with various OTT and digital platforms, which provides a steadily growing revenue stream. Digital partners like YouTube Music, Spotify, Resso, Apple Music, iTunes, JioSaavn, Amazon Music, And we also had a deal with Warner Music as our distribution partner for international markets. There are a few. And then there is a social media presence. We have all YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Instagram, ShareChat, Moz, etc. Then we have a sync deals with all the main productions, Viacom, Amir Khan Productions, Excel Entertainment, Maddox, many more. And then we have a broadcast partner, Z, Star, Viacom, Sony. Also, our YouTube channel has over 54 million subscriber followers. This entire digital focus and impetus has ensured our music business continues to grow from year to year. Our vision is to be amongst the top 3 music companies in India by creating, acquiring, and delivering quality music having high catalog value to a wide range of audiences. At Tips, we are working with 2-pronged content acquisition strategy. Production, our strong A&R team engages with artists across genres and languages, which allows us to present upcoming talent to our listeners. Our team has deep understanding of music, which allows us to build a repertoire of music, have must-have hits. Engage with other producers to buy music rights to complement our repertoire. This strategy will help us optimize our content cost. During FY21, we have added 215 songs. Our YouTube views have touched 38.5 billion for financial year 21, with Q4 had 11.8 billion, to increase of 21% compared to last quarter. With growing listenership and increasing content addition, we are quite confident of increasing our music market share in the coming years. Lastly, a quick update on demerger of film business. On the recommendation of the audit committee and the committee of independent directors, the board of directors of the company at its meeting has inter alia considered and approved to restructure the business of the demerged company by way of a scheme of arrangement and demerger scheme, whereby the film business undertaking film division of Tips Industries Limited demerged company will be demerged into resulting companies with effect from the appointed date. I will now hand over to Mr. Sunil Chelani to take you through the financial and operational highlights for the fourth quarter and full year ended FY21. Mr. Chelani.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone, and warm welcome to our Q4 FY21 earnings call. I will take through the financial highlight, post which we will open the floor for question and answer. The Board of Directors at its meeting has recommended final dividend ₹2 per equity share of ₹10 each. That's 20% of the face value for the financial year ended 31st March 2021. Our consolidated revenue from operation for Q4 21 stood at 27.6 crore as compared to rupees 18.5 crores in Q4 FY20, a growth of 49%. EBITDA including other income stood at rupees 21.9 crore for Q4 FY21, an exponential growth of 8.5 times compared to the same period last year. This is due to certain one-time expenses that we incurred in the previous year. EBITDA margin stood at 71.9%. Profit after tax stood at rupees 18.3 crore for Q4 FY21. PAT margin stood 59.9%. The revenue from operation for FY21 stood at rupees 90.5 crore, same as FY20. EBITDA including other income stood at rupees 60.1 crore for FY21. EBITDA margin stood at 62.9%. Profit after tax stood at 43.5 crores for FY21, grew by 3 times compared to the same period in last year. PAT margin stood at 45.6%. Now coming to the segmental performance. In Q4, music revenue grew by 51% to 27.6 crore compared to same period last year. EBIT for the quarter was rupees 24.8 crores. For FY21, music revenue was down by 7.5% to rupees 90.5 crore compared to same period last year. It is largely due to cutting advertising spend and revenue of some of the contracts which came due during the lockdown period 2020. EBIT for the music business was 72.9 crores. As on 31st March 2021, we had a zero debts and cash equivalent to the tune of 51.5 crore. Cash flow from the operation increased to rupees 41.2 crores in FY21 compared to rupees 30.5 crores in FY20. Return on capital employed stood at 87.4% and return on equity stood at 42.9%. With this, I open the floor for discussion. Thank you, gentlemen. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to withdraw yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Saket Mehrotra from Tusk Investments. Please go ahead.
Hi. So on this advance from customers which is sitting on balance sheet, I believe this was reclassified. This was actually disclosed in your December demerger document. Can you assume that this is related to the films business?
How much? What you said? Actually, I didn't get that point.
In your other current liability, there's an advance from customers which is sitting, right? This was the December 20 balance sheet that you guys had put as a part of your demerger document. And I believe this was, again, I think you had put a filing yesterday in that you had, again, this was classified as employee benefit and then you put in the other current liability. Can you assume that this is related to the film?
No, gentlemen, miss, your voice is not very clear. Question is very clear. Can you repeat yourself? What you want to know about
what you think? There's a December, May, there is some liability. How much? What amount you said?
See, in your December balance, other non-current liabilities is coming at 30 crores, right? Are you in agreement with me there?
Yeah.
Which, by the way, you carry it again in your last balance sheet. In your other non-current liabilities, that's 7 crores. 37.3 crores.
7.3 crores.
Yeah. So, can we assume that this is related to your film business?
You say, what amount you said? 37 or 7? What you said?
37.3 crores.
No, this is actually, I think...
No, miss, let me pick up this question and answer. Yeah. This 37.3 crore, miss, the other non-current liability which you are seeing. This is, miss, what you call liabilities, what, miss, we have received certain advances, and this is a consist of certain advances which we have received.
Let me further clarify. These are some advances we have received against our music business for future years.
Okay. So this would be, say for example, with films or people tying up to you for their music, right?
Yes.
Okay. On the music side, while you said that you released 215 songs this year, is there some sort of a guidance, say, for the coming years for artists, how you had, really taken the pedal up in new content? A lot of your content. Sorry?
Actually, your audio is not clear.
Yes, Mr. Saket Mehrotra, I would request you to use handset if you're using earphones, or you may just dial back the same number and reconnect to the call.
Is it now? Is this better?
Yes, this is better.
Yes, somewhat better. Just yes, gentlemen.
Okay. No. So on the new content side, last, I think in the on call you spoke about how you guys really discovered artists and were able to scale that up. We're seeing pure competitor really upping the game in terms of release content. Can we expect something on these lines, maybe some tips in the coming years? So you've guided for increased content acquisition costs, but any color in terms of what pipeline or what strategy is as a group?
See, absolutely. We are very much interested to acquire audio content or video content, what our business is. But we also are very careful what kind of a content we are acquiring, what is the longevity of that particular song or music, plus what is the cost. Are we getting at because of there is so much of competition these days, so we have to see that as well. So we are very careful about that. We will 100% we acquire our content. We know how to acquire our content. Plus, let me tell you, we have a huge percentage of 90s music. And our all songs are doing so well recently, and we have 500 songs in the top category. But we can, if we don't acquire any content from market, and only those songs we keep on recreating, so we will really get a lot of revenue from that. Recently, we have released this song. Ek Rishta film was there. Ek Bewafa hai song. His original song, till now we have done 27 million hits. And this new song, Ek Bewafa, we recreated the song and we released, I think 40-45 days back. And we had 25 million hits on the views on the YouTube. So earlier also last year we did 2 songs from Coolie number 1, came in Coolie number 1. It was a huge hit. Then before that it was Jawani Janeman. We given 2 songs. Those were major hits. Before that we did one song, Chamma Chamma, Baje Meri Panjaniya, in one very small film. But it really, I think we crossed around 250-300 million views. So we have that content. So we are not we will 100% buy, and we will, the way I told you in my beginning of my speech, today we are priority number 5. But our target is in next 1.5-2 years, we have to be priority number 3 for my customers. So we will combine the two. We have our own old catalog we can recreate, and also we do new releases, non-film, as well as we'll acquire films also. Recently, we acquired one small film where we said, okay, we will give you 4 songs. We will create and give it to you. And we have just given very, very, very small money to the producer. And they will, we give them only audio. They will picturize, put it in the film, and give us video also. Video rights also we will handle. We will own. So we are very careful about our acquisition strategy.
Sorry, Mr. Mehrotra, I would request you to come back in the queue, please. And I would request all the participants to limit their questions to 2 per question. The next question is from the line of Manvardhan Baid from Laurel Investment Advisors. Please go ahead.
Congratulations, sir, on a good set of numbers. Just wanted to understand that, the QOQ, there was some sort of decline in our revenues. So just wanted to understand as to, what is the sort of trajectory, or how should we go about sort of seeing these QOQ numbers, and what can we expect in terms of revenue, in terms of a revenue figure every quarter?
See, I think it's again depending upon the deal to deal basis. I think. See, we do yearly deals. So yearly deals, sometimes some quarter you will have coming down, or some quarter you have to go up. We should see as a year what is my year is happening. This year actually was not. We have come down for around I think 7-8%. We are down.
because of the first quarter was really bad for everyone, TV stations or digital platforms also, even YouTube. We had a major setback in the first quarter, but slowly then from second quarter onwards we picked up. And ultimately, actually, when we started the year in May and June, when I was calculating those kind of numbers, so I really was thinking कि यार ये तो बहुत इस साल बहुत खराब जाएगा शायद, ये अगर कोविड ज्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म कंटिन्यू हुआ तो. But and my estimate was कि I will in that month in April में I felt कि I will do 65-70 तक हम शायद जाएंगे इस साल. But then again from July onwards, as business picked up, then we said कि नहीं यार 80 तक तो शायद पहुंच जाएंगे. But मेरे ख्याल से last 2 quarters we really did अच्छा हो गया सब कुछ, came to become normal and we have achieved our decent number. I'm not saying कि it's a good number. 90 is I'm not so happy. It should be growth every year. I feel कि 25-30% ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए, जो कि मैं आज भी एस्टिमेट करता हूँ कि हमारे फ्यूचर में 3-4 साल तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We should really do that and we are aiming for that. But this year we had this problem.
सर इसमें एक चीज और समझना था कि जैसे लास्ट क्वार्टर अपने टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ दिसंबर अपने वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बिगेस्ट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स के साथ अपनी डील हुई थी, बट उसके बाद भी दिसंबर से जैसे इस क्वार्टर को देखें, मार्च क्वार्टर को, तो जैसे तो ये समझना था कि भाई जैसे ये डील हुई है तो अपने को कुछ वन ऑफ इसका बेनिफिट नहीं मिलता है कि और किस तरह से इस डील का रेवेन्यू फ्लो अपने अकाउंट्स में आएगा, तो उसके बारे में अगर आप कुछ गाइड कर सकें.
जब भी इस टाइप के जो डील्स होते हैं, वी साइन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड अकॉर्डिंगली से अगर 1 मिनट के लिए फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स अ $1 मिलियन का डील, तो समटाइम्स वी क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस का उनका एक सम साइनिंग विल गेट एंड सम क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस हमारे को पैसे मिलते हैं. एंड समटाइम्स वी से क्योंकि हमें भी आगे इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है और काफी हमें भी अगर कंटेंट खरीदना है, तो वी टेल देम कि हमको थोड़े पैसे पे अस अपफ्रंट मोर. So we do those kind of deals and some people agree, some partners agree, some don't agree. तो उस हिसाब से हमारे डील फिक्स हो जाते हैं. And then as and when we receive our monies, we book in our that quarter we will book.
Okay, fair enough, sir. Thank you. I'll go back in the question queue.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Utkarsh Somani from Moneybee. Please go ahead.
Congratulations on good set of numbers, sir. So my question is, so out of the 29,000 songs that we have, will you have a breakup of how many are Hindi, Bhojpuri, Punjabi? That's my first question.
Breakup we have, but I can tell you कि 12,000 songs, approximately 12,000 songs we have in Hindi, and other 17,000 songs we have in regional languages all over, Marathi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Haryanvi, Bhojpuri, everything in that, Rajasthani, so everything.
So around 40% of the songs are in Hindi.
Yes, 12,000 songs is in Hindi.
Okay. And so on the other expenses side, so we've seen a sharp decline in the other expenses on a year-on-year and Q-on-Q basis. Can you throw some light on that, please?
I think हमने इस साल है ना audio content, we have not acquired so much of audio content because कुछ picture भी release नहीं हुई, कुछ music भी video की shooting बंद थे. There are so many problems. So we have not वो मेरे ख्याल से वो भी खर्चा इस साल कम हुआ है, तो वो हो सकता है.
Okay. And on the demerger front, sir, so we are seeing that the revenue from the music from the films is negligible. So after the demerger, so how can you sustain the film business? Will the music business be used to fund the losses there?
No, music दो कंपनियां सेपरेट हो जाएगी. How can we fund that? वो जो अभी जो हमारे जो दो बैलेंस शीट्स अलग हो जाएंगे, इस फिल्म में ये एसेट्स और एक कैश जाएगा, इंडस्ट्रीज में ये एसेट और जो म्यूजिक के एसेट है वो सब म्यूजिक में रहेंगे, फिल्म के एसेट फिल्म कंपनी में जाएंगे, एंड उनका जो कैश होगा वो स्प्लिट होगा. एंड देन अभी रिसेंटली वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोड्यूस एंड कंप्लीटेड वन फिल्म, भूत पुलिस, आपने शायद नाम सुना होगा. दैट फिल्म विल गो टू देम, एंड उसका भी ऑलरेडी एक डील लगभग लॉक होने पे है, थोड़ा हमने एडवांस भी हो गया है, एक फाइनल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अभी हो रहा है, तो वो डील वहां जाएगी, उनके प्रॉफिट आएंगे. एंड व्हाट आई फील कि लास्ट 2 साल से जब से ये नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेजॉन एंड Z5 या आपके डिज्नी हॉटस्टार, ये सब जो एप्स आए हैं, इसमें कंटेंट की बहुत वैल्यू है, फिल्म्स की या वेब सीरीज की या वेब फिल्म्स की बहुत डिमांड है। एंड ये एक नई इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक नई रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम है फॉर फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर्स। तो मुझे लगता है कि वहां पर भी जो फिल्म कंपनी जब सेपरेट होंगे तो वो फिल्म कंपनी भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करेंगे, क्योंकि देयर इज अ मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइंड अप। जैसे अभी मैंने आपको बताया भूत पुलिस, देयर इज अनदर पिक्चर मेरी क्रिसमस विच इज ऑल्सो बीन, वो श्री राम राघवन बड़े अच्छे डायरेक्टर हैं, उनके साथ हमारी लॉक हो गई है। तो दोज फिल्म्स विल कम, माना हम टारगेट करते हैं कि 2 to 3 फिल्म्स every year we will release in that company, and one or maybe 2 years में 3 web series or web films, some web films should release. That is the target.
Okay, sir, that was helpful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. The next question is from the line of Aman Vij from Astute Invest Management. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
My first question is on out of the 90 crore revenue which we did for the full year, how much is from, say, digital platform, and how much is from, say, the old media, the traditional platforms?
I think digital media, in our case, I think it's around 68-70% का है, and balance other things are 30-32% बाकी सब जो भी है.
Okay, sir. And like FY20 में हमारा मतलब there is like flattish top line. So digital would have grown and traditional would have declined by the same amount. Is my understanding correct, or it's like flat?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा हो सकता है फर्क पड़ जाएगा, 4-5% का और हो सकता है कि फर्क हो, ज्यादा नहीं होगा। सी हमारा जो लास्ट ईयर का जो मेजर लॉस था, दैट इज जो इवेंट्स होते हैं, शोज होते हैं, जो हमें वहां से रॉयल्टी मिलती है, इनकम आती है, वो पूरी खत्म हो गई। देयर वाज नो शोज, कहीं कोई इवेंट्स नहीं हुए, आर्टिस्ट ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया, तो दैट वाज अ मेजर लॉस टू द इंडस्ट्री। पूरा एक स्ट्रीम ही चला गया, तो वो एक बड़ा हिट था। तो वो जैसे जैसे ये कोविड ठीक होगा तो वो बहुत अच्छा रेवेन्यू बाउंस बैक करेगा।
So, but that was like 10-15% only of our revenue, right?
हाँ, तो 10% अगर तो 90 करोड़ में 10% तो 99 हो जाता है ना, 7-8-9 हो जाता है।
हाँ जी। Okay, so you expect that this year that will come back, and the digit.
Actually वो लास्ट ईयर हमारी तो डील थी, लेकिन दैट पार्टी दे रिक्वेस्टेड कि देखो हमारा बिजनेस टोटली नहीं है, हाउ कैन वी अचीव दिस, देन वी गिवन देम सम डिस्काउंट एंड दैट, बट अल्टीमेटली वी टेकन सम मनी। जैसे हमारा जनवरी लास्ट क्वार्टर हमारा ये जो 21 का खुल गया था, एंड थिंग्स वर नॉर्मल। अगर आपने देखा होगा कि गोवा में बहुत पार्टीज हो रहे थे एंड बहुत रश थी वहां पर। गोवा इज द मेन हब फॉर दीज काइंड ऑफ रेवेन्यूज। तो वहां से माना हमारी सेटलमेंट हुई उस पार्टी के साथ कि हमारे भाई लास्ट 3-4 महीने अच्छे थे, तो हमने उनसे पैसे लिए उसके, एंड वी हैड अ वेरी गुड डील विद देम फॉर दिस कमिंग 2 years। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली फिर से ये एक सेकंड वेव आ गया, सो वी केप्ट थिंग्स ऑन होल्ड कि ठीक है एक बार ये थोड़ा और नॉर्मल हो जाए, देन अगेन वील डिस्कस विथ यू। सो दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम। बट आई थिंक वो ये जो सेकंड वेव है, आई थिंक वैक्सीनेशन एंड द वे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज वर्किंग and all state governments are working, this is temporary। ये 2-3 महीने में ठीक हो जाएगा। एक क्वार्टर थोड़ा इफेक्ट होगा, लेकिन बाकी 2 या 3 क्वार्टर अच्छे रहेंगे मुझे लगता है।
Sure, sir. And what kind of growth should we expect in the traditional business, which is like that 30 crore का जो revenue है हमारा traditional business से? So from traditional media, what kind of growth should we expect in that business, sir?
एक्चुअली यू कैन से कि ओवरऑल ग्रोथ तो 25-30% होगी, एंड वहां पर जो वो मीडिया है, आई थिंक वहां भी अराउंड 20% तक वहां भी आ सकता है, आना चाहिए, एंड डिजिटल में 30-35 तक ऐसे हो सकता है। तो ओवरऑल यू विल हैव अ 25-30।
Sure, sir. And
Mr. Vish, I would request you to come back again. Thank you. The next question is from the line of Mr. Kashish Sambhani from Negen Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi, thanks for taking my question. One of our competitors have publicly stated that they plan to acquire around 20-25% of all the music that comes in the market. So I just wanted to understand a bit more on our content acquisition strategy. Will we go mainstream Bollywood, or will we acquire more of regional content? And second is, are we focusing more on producing our own content versus purchasing it?
Actually, we are doing everything. What you said, we are focusing on all the 3 segments, एंड आवर मेन प्रायोरिटी इज कि पहले क्वालिटी क्या है, क्वालिटी कैसी है, एंड देन जो क्वालिटी है उसके हिसाब से इज ही आस्किंग प्राइस कि इसमें हम कुछ कमा सकते हैं। मे बी 2 साल में अगर ब्रेक इवन नहीं होता है, 3 साल में ब्रेक इवन होता है, कितने में होता है, क्या पीरियड है। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 10 साल में भी ब्रेक इवन नहीं कर रहे हैं तो फिर फायदा नहीं है कि ठीक है चलो ओके आई एम मेकिंग मनी ऑन माई रेpertoire और माई कैटलॉग, बट आई कांट इन्वेस्ट मनी की न्यू रिलीज में। इट हैज टू बी क्लियर मॉडल कि इसके कितने दिन में पैसे वापस आएंगे। सो आई थिंक वी आर लुकिंग एट कि 2 साल में 3 साल में पैसे शायद वापस आ जाने चाहिए, बट स्टिल वी आर डिबेटिंग दिस। ये हम 1 साल आफ्टर 1 ईयर, नेक्स्ट ईयर आई विल टेल यू क्लियरली कि क्या हो रहा है, बट एट प्रेजेंट वी आर वेरी केयरफुल एंड वी आर नॉट पेइंग मच मनी, वी आर गिविंग वेरी रीजनेबल। आप अगर कंपेयर करोगे इवन नेक्स्ट ईयर 22 जब एंड होगा तो वी विल बी द बेटर कंपनी। जितने हमने गाने रिलीज किए होंगे, जो क्वालिटी के या जो आर्टिस्ट के गाने रिलीज किए होंगे, हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स काफी कंट्रोल में होंगे।
Okay. And how much money did we spend in FY20 as well as 21 for the acquisition?
Chelani, can you tell us that?
Our content cost for last year was around 12 crores and this year is somewhere near 10 crore rupees.
हमने कम किया है बात।
Yes.
Okay, 12 and 10 crores.
Yeah.
Okay, and once the situation normalizes, we can take this to 20, 25, 30 crores, which you guided earlier, right?
देखते हैं, करते हैं, वो कुछ है ऐसा, कुछ सोचा है कि थोड़ा एग्रेसिव हमको भी होना पड़ेगा। इफ वी वांट थोड़ा बेटर कंटेंट, सुपीरियर कंटेंट चाहिए जो कि लॉन्ग टर्म, क्योंकि हमको कंटेंट जो हम लेते हैं दैट इज फॉर 50 इयर्स 60 इयर्स, तो वी नीड सम। ये भी सोचना पड़ेगा कि जो आज हम कंटेंट करें वो जैसे हमने 90s में जो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स किए थे आज हमें काम आ रहे हैं ना। तो एक तो है हमारी शॉर्ट टर्म में भी हमारे रेवेन्यूज आ जाए उससे और हमारी रिकवरी हो जाए, और हमारे फ्यूचर में भी वो हो सकता है कि जो 2040 में मैं रहूं नहीं रही हूँ, मेरे जो भी ये कंपनी चला रहे होंगे उस टाइम पे उनको ये रिक्रिएशन में वो काम आए वो कंटेंट, तो वो भी एक एम है।
Got it. Okay. And we in Q3 as well and Q4 as well, we are already at 120 crores run rate, 30 crores every quarter. So can we grow 25% in FY22 over this 120 crores?
मुझे 25% तो आई फील इट्स कंफर्टेबल कि अगर कोई मेजर कोई ऐसा बड़ा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता है तो आई एम वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट कि हम 25-30% तक ग्रोथ कर सकते हैं।
This will be on 120 crore base.
Sorry?
This will be on 120 crore base, right? What our current run rate is?
No, current is 90, no?
No, I'm talking about the run rate of Q3, Q4. So you are saying 25% on 90 crore, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can I squeeze in one last question?
Mr. Samani, I would request you to please come back in the queue.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'll do that.
Thank you. Participants, we request you to limit your questions to 2 per participant. The next question is from the line of Devanshu Sampath from Yes Securities. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So just one question. So assuming lower content being available to acquire even this year, right, because of the COVID situation, it is quite unlikely the company or the industry will be unable to source music as aggressively. So are you confident of growing at a healthy pace with the existing catalog, or are your assumptions largely based on new acquisition of content?
I told you कि new acquisition हम अपने जो गाने हैं वो भी recreate कर रहे हैं, and already we have given order कि हम 20-25 songs recreations and plus non-film music plus 3-4 उसमें film music plus our own film, around 30-35 songs already pipelined this year. So mana you can say कि A or a B plus category kind of songs already been targeted. So I think we will achieve this. We don't have any. At present till now, Bhoot Police is the only major film which is in-house we have. We don't have any big film we have acquired or any big money. We have invested some money in Punjab. We have acquired, but that is also not very huge. So I think this year will be fine. But next year, whatever films will go on this year on floors, we will target 1 or 2 films to acquire next year.
Okay. And so regarding your license fees on events and probably from the radio channel, I'm hearing that the industry is trying to renegotiate some terms with the radio. So can you throw some light on that, one? And secondly, the amount of money you get annually from events, is that number, has it been in the 9-10 crore range for a while, or is that growing also? Is there any formalization happening in that aspect as well?
First, what you said first, you actually asked me two questions. Second, I remember that.
I read somewhere that, the...
Radio.
Yeah.
See, radio, we had a long battle. The entire industry had a long battle. Nobody in the industry is making money from them. There was a case, legacy issues. But I think in next 6 months or 1 year, it will be settled here or there, whatever it is. But we don't actually, no company expect a huge revenues from radio. So we are okay with that. ठीक है, जो भी होगा, फैसला होगा कोर्ट्स का, वो आएगा. So that is one. And then second point, you said that events were actually was a very, it's not in that range, little lesser, but it was a good deal. We really had a good deal with our partner, but suddenly for this first quarter was little problematic. So we are still to see. But I think कि जो हमारे deal है, even maybe he has affected by first quarter, but what I feel कि September onwards, जो ये हमारा जो business होगा and people are locked inside, जब वो बाहर निकलेंगे इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कि he won't mind paying the same money. I don't think he will ask for any discount. So I'm very positive about it. क्योंकि जो last December से लेके March तक जो हुआ था, that was really amazing. जो business हुआ था suddenly, and I was not expecting anything, but he given me money. So that is a very positive thing. So let's keep fingers crossed. Let's see what happens.
So, but this is likely to reflect only fully in FY23, right? I mean, assuming this year also will be not so different from last year. Would that be a fair assumption?
No, I think last year was very bad because it was a big lockdown. At this time, it's not a lockdown. In between, films were also released. Then again, next month onwards, from July onwards, films are releasing. Today, only one big film, Akshay Kumar film, has announced it's releasing on 27th of July. So I think activities are happening starting from July.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much, and all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Amit Jeswani from Stallion Asset. Please go ahead.
Hi, Taurani Saab. Congratulations. Sir, my first question is about your reinvesting, Taurani Saab. Now, sir, you have enough free cash flow that you're making on your music business. Sir, what would be your strategy? And the second question is, how does this business actually work? Example, you're buying a song of Honey Singh or any singer. Do you produce the entire song, and what is the typical IRR we should expect? Or you will go and be like a dividend paying out company and you will invest less. Today, sir, you have 90% odd gross margin. So you have two ways, sir. Either be aggressive and invest and create something which is larger on the music side, or be a dividend payout company. Which option, sir, would you typically, what's your strategy going forward?
See, I will try to balance it out, but हमारी जो first priority होती है, अगर मुझे लगता है कि music अच्छी है and मुझे उसमें पैसे बचेंगे, मिलेंगे, तो I will definitely go for music first, क्योंकि that is our today, present and future. So music is the priority. Even in my earlier days, if you see, कि हमारे पास factory नहीं होती थी जब हम cassette and CD बनाते थे, तो we initially in early 90s और late 80s, हमने पूरा जो focus था tips का, that was to acquire content. Content low. All big producers were signed with us. So that is the always priority. जब से ट्रस्ट बनी है, हमने हमेशा ये प्रायोरिटी पे रखा है कि म्यूजिक इज अवर लाइफ. तो म्यूजिक पहले प्रायोरिटी होनी चाहिए. बाकी कितना भी आप कर लोगे, अगर आपके टच टुडे आई डोंट हैव बिकॉज ऑफ माय रेpertoire, एंड उसमें अगर प्रॉपर न्यू रिलीजेस का मिक्स हो जाता है, तो वी हैव अ क्वाइट गुड मार्जिन, एंड हम उसमें डिविडेंड भी अच्छा दे सकते हैं. आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम टू गिव डिविडेंड. आई कैन गिव.
Right, sir. So how does the typical economics work? So no one in the stock market actually understands the Bollywood business, because no one has ever made money in the Bollywood business before this, ever in the stock market. But now this is the new music business. Now, how does the content acquisition work, and how is it decided? Could you give us like good understanding about your business model?
क्या ना, जो भी companies, any company, whether they are in film business or music business, I can tell you one thing only, investors should focus. जिसके पास भी content library है ना, those companies will survive long term. बाकी companies अगर जिसके पास content नहीं है, they are depending on distribution deals है, कि 5 साल का deal है, 10 साल का deal है, 10 साल के बाद तो उसका content वापस चला जाएगा. उनके पास तो अपना कुछ है ही नहीं, तो content नहीं है, तो ultimately we all companies are a content company. तो content जिसके पास है, they will survive big time and they will have a lots of value. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि ये एक डिफरेंस है बहुत बड़ा, जो लोग शायद अभी रियलाइज कर रहे हैं या आगे और करेंगे. तो वो जैसे हमारे जितने भी बहुत सारे हमारे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, या हमारे जो शॉर्ट एप्स हैं, शॉर्ट कंटेंट जो एप्स हैं, उनके बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर में वैल्यू है, बट उनके पास तो कंटेंट है ही नहीं. तो वो अभी लोगों को आस्ते आस्ते पता चलेगा कि एक्चुअली वेयर टू इन्वेस्ट, विच इज द राइट कंपनीज टू इन्वेस्ट. एंड उसमें भी कंटेंट में भी बहुत कंपनीज जाएंगी, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली किसके पास डीप है, ओनली ऑन न्यू रिलीजेस यू कांट सर्वाइव. हो सकता है कि मैंने एक पिक्चर ले ली, अगले साल मेरी हिम्मत बढ़ जाए, मेरा बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, 150 CR तक मैं पहुंच रहा हूँ, हो सकता है मुझे उस साल में 30 करोड़ की एक पिक्चर मिल जाए, 20 करोड़ की एक और मिल जाए, मुझे लगता है कि मैं गेन करूंगा, तो मैंने 50 करोड़ का माल उठा लिया. हो सकता है मेरी दोनों पिक्चरें डब्बा हो जाए, हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं सर्वाइव कर रहा हूँ ना, क्योंकि मेरे पास 100 करोड़ की अभी भी मार्जिन है. 25-30 करोड़ का और खर्चा हो जाएगा, फिर भी मेरे पास 70 का सरप्लस है. मैं अपने इन्वेस्टर्स को दे सकता हूँ, डिविडेंड बना FT नाइस प्रॉफिटेबल डिविडेंड दे सकता हूँ. तो मुझे लगता है कि कंटेंट इज द, जिसके पास कंटेंट है, लाइब्रेरी है, पुराना कंटेंट है और उसकी वैल्यू है, उसकी ईयर ऑन ईयर वैल्यू आ रही है, दोस कंपनीज विल सर्वाइव बिग टाइम.
सर जस्ट वन क्वेश्चन एग्जाम्पल, सर हम लोग जैसे Gaana.com से डील करते रहेंगे, अज्यूमिंग जस्ट ऑन एग्जाम्पल बेसिस, एग्जाम्पल Gaana.com गिव्स अस 20 करोड़ रुपीज अ ईयर, ऐसे ही होती है डील की सर पर सॉन्ग आपको पैसा मिलता है कि 10 पैसा सॉन्ग का, 20 पैसा सॉन्ग का?
हाँ, वो तो 10 पैसा देते हैं ना, पूरी इंडस्ट्री को 10 पैसा मिलता है ना पर सॉन्ग, पर स्ट्रीमिंग. ओके.
एंड सर यूट्यूब में सर अपना रियलाइजेशन कैसे होता है?
और ये सर यूट्यूब में तो उनका जो पूरा उनका जो फाइल है, माना जो भी उनका जो टोटल अर्निंग्स है, उसका जो सम परसेंटेज वो भी वेरी करता है पार्टनर टू पार्टनर बेसिस. दे शेयर सम परसेंटेज. आपके जो एड रेवेन्यू होगा उसमें आपका जो शेयर होगा, उसका जो परसेंटेज होगा वो आपको मिलता है.
Got it, sir. Sir, मेरा एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है सर. One second, madam. Sir, ये madam, you made me forget the question. My last question was about. Okay, sorry. Let's get it. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I wish you all the luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ravi Naredi from Naredi Investment. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Kumar Taurani ji, for fantastic result. Sir, this year EBITDA margin was 62.9% versus 14.5%. Whether this increased margin is sustainable for current year?
Yeah, easily. Absolutely sustainable.
And what is the reason you are telling that will be sustainable? Any reason behind it?
क्योंकि क्या है ना, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, इवन लास्ट ईयर भी मार्जिन अच्छे थे. लास्ट ईयर कुछ हमारे जो पुराने राइट ऑफ थे, वो राइट ऑफ हमने किए थे, और हमने पूरा जितना भी जो फिल्म्स के जो हमारे जो राइट ऑफ थे पुराने, वो सब हमने राइट ऑफ कर दिए थे. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट वाज फ्रॉम दैट जंप टू दैट जंप.
And sir, our other current assets rises to 55.91 crore this year versus 8.90 crore. What is that figure we had given loan to anyone?
चेलानी बताओ इसका.
Sorry,
other current assets, we are having this year 55.91 crore versus 8.90 crore. So whom we had given this money?
This is the cost which we have incurred, the movie which we are producing, Bhoot Police, and certain advances we have given for program expenses.
For content, right?
For content.
जो हमने मूवी बनाई है भूत पुलिस, एंड देयर इज अदर
एडवांसेस गिवन फॉर
एडवांसेस टुवर्ड्स राइटर साइन करते हैं, डायरेक्टर साइन करते हैं, एक और पिक्चर जैसे मैंने बताया बना रहे हैं उसको हमने साइन की हुई है, प्लस हमारे जो म्यूजिक जो हमने एक्वायर किए हैं उसके हमने कुछ एडवांसेस दिए. दिस इज दैट. बट अल्टीमेटली दिस मनी ये एज ऑफ 1 अप्रैल वी हैव अनाउंस कि हम डीमर्ज करेंगे. जब हमारा वो एनसीएलटी से और वो जो कोर्ट्स का जो एक प्रोसीजर है, व्हेन वी कंप्लीट दैट प्रोसीजर नवंबर दिसंबर, दीज ऑल फिगर्स विल गो टू फिल्म कंपनी. इसमें एक माइनर फिगर रहेगा यहाँ पर म्यूजिक में, बाकी मैक्सिमम फिगर विल गो टू दैट कंपनी.
Okay. Thank you very much. All the best, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Pritesh Chheda from Lucky Investment Managers. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir, one clarification. So when you say content cost will rise, let's say to 25 crore next year or maybe year after that. So when we are referring to that, we are referring to the P&L content costs, right? So just getting clarified that your content cost which got routed through your P&L was 10 crores and it will rise to whatever number over the next couple of years, and it depends on what opportunities you get to buy the content. Because when I'm looking at your balance sheet, I don't think any of the content is kind of capitalized or anything. So just clarifying that.
Shilani?
Yeah, because you will not find any miscapitalization of the contents, because as and when we release any contents, any songs, we write off the entire amount in on our own release itself. Okay. So we do not capitalize any value in our balance sheet.
Perfect. So the cost of operations for running the music business, what you see from your numbers, is about 8 crore for employee cost, 10 crore of corporate overheads, and whatever you spend on the content cost. It can be 10 crore, 15, 20, based on whatever opportunities you get. Is that correct? So your running cost is about 20 crores.
Yeah, your assumptions are correct.
Okay. Now, on the revenue part, I have this last question. Sir, we have seen so many of these OTTs getting added in the last 3-4 years. So, if we have to understand so whenever OTT comes, there's a jump in the revenue because they buy bulk content for their apps or sites or whatever format on digital. Is it possible to understand from you, in the digital part, what could be a more recurring business? What could be that one-off business in your opinion? If it's not there, how would you assess this whole digital part of the revenue in your company?
See, what I think, consolidation तो इनमें भी होगा. I agree with you, but can ultimately we have to see मेरी जो plays हैं, मेरी जो streams हो रहे हैं, अगर मेरे अगर stream से for example 5 million streams होते हैं गाना पे, and tomorrow अगर Spotify पे मेरे 5 million हो रहे हैं, तो total 10 हो रहे हैं. कल अगर Spotify ने गाना acquire कर लिया, तो मेरे 10 million होंगे ना. मेरे को तो problem नहीं है, मेरे तो same revenues आएंगे.
So just clarifying here, sir. So how with all the OTTs you will have streaming based revenue, and will there be any one time revenue when an OTT comes in, or the entire revenue for OTTs, or except YouTube, so keeping YouTube aside, all these OTTs, it all will be streaming based from day one?
Actually, it is a sharing model, but it's vary. Some people have a different lump sum outright model. Some people have a sharing kind of a model. So and sharing with MG, but we try to get a maximum MG, because we have not seen many apps to exceptions are there. Maybe one or two app are there. Whether they show we are in overflow, but otherwise they always keep you very cut to cut. So it's better we get maximum MG from them and keep our money safe.
So in this one time what we understood also in film business, a lot of these one time purchase had happened in film by a lot of these let's say telco based apps, or so Is that this one-time purchase would have happened by a Spotify or a Google Music or any of them which would have...
These all big players, Spotify, Apple, Amazon, all that, they are all absolutely, they pay you some advances or some MG, but they give you accounts very properly. Their account has no issues, absolutely.
नहीं सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि इनके ओर से कोई वन टाइम रेवेन्यू आया था क्या जो आपके नंबर्स में रहेगा और वो
नो
तो ये सारे जो डिजिटल के रेवेन्यू और सारे रिकरिंग रेवेन्यू है टिल द टाइम people continue to clock that many streams, yes, you will continue to get this revenue. If the streaming goes up, your revenues go up, and it's a one-on-one correlation. ये सही है कि इसमें कोई अंतर है?
थोड़ा माइनर चेंज होगा. एक दो प्लेयर हैं जैसे गाना या सावन, maybe they have a one kind of outright deal. बाकी बैलेंस में मेजर इज YouTube, Spotify, Apple, ये जितने भी एप्स हैं, they give you proper revenue share accounts. So I think that is a very safe kind of a business. We have a majority. You can say 75-80% is on a revenue share basis.
So one time deal मतलब annual एक amount
annual deal. Yes,
annual,
right? One time annual deals.
हाँ कि irrespective of how many streams a person listens on Gaana, you will be paid X amount.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and that X amount stands to renegotiate every year.
Absolutely.
And what is the increase of percentage increase that you have seen with these one-time deal type of apps? Growth in revenue?
उसमें from 10% to 100% होता है. Some apps we charge 100% more, but what we do, maybe we giving them outright, but we still take reports from them. So in the report we'll see how many streams he's doing and what is my position, market share today. So accordingly, then I will...
next year you will revise accordingly.
Yes.
Okay. And
sorry, sir. Please request you to come back in the queue.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Deepak Mehta from MetLife. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for taking my question. So my question is around right now we have revenue 68% from internet. So going forward, say in next 3 to 5 years, where you see it?
Actually, I have not understood what you are saying. The line is also not very good, actually. Can you repeat, please?
Yes, sir. So right now, our revenue from internet is around 68%, right? According to investor presentation.
Okay.
So going forward, say in next 3 to 5 years, how much, we can see revenue coming from internet? Can we expect 80% from internet, and what is the typical EBIT margin from internet?
I feel it will achieve 75% hoga, but simultaneously other things are also doing well for us. So I feel कि other things will remain at 25, and this will be 75%.
Okay, sir. And sir, what is the typical EBIT margin from internet revenue?
We have actually only on internet you want to know.
Yes, sir.
So proportionately you can do that very easily. My expenses and all music costs, you can proportionately, whatever final numbers are, you can split that.
I think the EBIT, margin should be higher in internet. Maybe I'm wrong, but my understanding is that EBIT margin should be higher on internet revenue.
See, we don't keep that segment-wise P&L नहीं बनाते. P&L तो पूरे जितना total business की बनती है. But I think थोड़ा whatever you are saying is, I think proportionately करके you can do 5-7% here and there. ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं होगा क्योंकि employees तो same है. Maybe वो इंटरनेट के लिए अगर आज 10 एम्प्लॉय होंगे बिकॉज इट्स अ मेजर रेवेन्यू, तो टीवी के लिए शायद एक ही एम्प्लॉय होगा, तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं वो कॉम्पनसेट हो जाता है.
Okay, sir. And my last question is around after demerger, how will be the management responsibility within two different companies? So there will be same management, or if you can throw some color.
We have a separate staff for both the companies. वो तो पहले से ही है डिवीजन के लिए, and we will उनका स्टाफ उनके साथ जाएगा. बाकी हमारे जो me and my brother Ramesh Taurani and me Kumar Taurani,
गिरीश तोरानी, वी विल मिलजुल के एट प्रेजेंट जो हमारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं, whatever we are doing, we continue doing that.
Okay, sir. And is there any successor planning, try to find and groom talent who can take over from both of you guys?
Yes. My son Girish actually is the executive director on the company. He handles most of the business dealings, all the deals and all that. And wherever he needs me, I am there. And all big deals also, I am also involved in big deals. Small deals, so he only do. We just साल के beginning में we make a ढांचा कि this year this should be our targets कि इतने पैसे इस स्कीम से आने चाहिए. And then he keeps on closing the deals.
Sir, can we expect in next 3 to 5 years 20% growth in our top line for Tips Music? अगर आपका कोई estimate होगा तो.
I think मेरे को तो लगता है कि 5 साल बहुत ज्यादा होता है. 3 साल माना next 3 years के लिए I think 25 to 30% भी expect करना I think it can happen. हो जाएगा. I am very confident about it.
Tips Music पे sir.
हाँ, music. I am talking about music here.
ठीक है. Thank you so much sir and best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Ankush Agarwal from DPI Research. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for taking my question, sir. So I wanted to understand a little bit on the monetization front. आप बोल रहे हैं जो 25-30% का म्यूजिक में ग्रोथ आएगा, उसके पीछे क्या ट्रिगर्स है? लाइक आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि और स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स आएंगे जिसमें आप लाइसेंस कर पाओगे, और यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि एग्जिस्टिंग म्यूजिक प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक स्पॉटिफाई, Amazon प्राइम, एप्पल म्यूजिक एंड ऑल दैट, वहां से आपका स्ट्रीमिंग में ग्रोथ आएगा?
मुझे लगता है कि सब जगह से ग्रोथ आएगा. आपको मैं 1-2 छोटा एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे अपने फेसबुक के साथ लास्ट टाइम 4 महीने 5 महीने पहले हमने डील किया था एक, तो हमें नहीं मालूम था कि क्या नंबर्स आएंगे. एंड फेसबुक वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑल द म्यूजिक कंटेंट वालों को उन्होंने कहा कि आप हमारे साथ 2 साल, जब तक हम अपना सिस्टम शेयरिंग का नहीं उठाते हैं, आप हमसे लमसम डील कीजिए. तो हमने भी उनसे लमसम डील किया द वे अदर कंपनीज डिड. तो उनके जो नंबर्स आए ना, आई एम वेरी शॉक्ड कि उनका नंबर पहले महीने में था 500 मिलियन, है ना, 50 करोड़ लोगों ने हमारा कंटेंट यूज किया. सेकंड मंथ में आया 100 करोड़, 1 बिलियन. उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ में 2 बिलियन, उसके नेक्स्ट मंथ में 4 बिलियन. माना 400 करोड़ कंटेंट मेरे यूज हुए उस महीने में. तो अगर मैं उस हिसाब से पकड़ूं तो मेरे माना 400 करोड़ माना कितने हो जाएंगे पता नहीं, 5000, 4 into 400 करोड़ into अगर 12 करूंगा तो 4000-5000 करोड़ कंटेंट यूज होंगे. तो मुझे क्या पैसा देगा? मुझे अगर 1 पैसा देगा तो कितने पैसे होते हैं? तो आई डोंट नो कि हाउ दिस विल ट्रांसफॉर्म इन द बिजनेस, बिकॉज दे आर एट प्रेजेंट दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनी एड्स ऑन दोस. तो उनका कुछ उनके माइंड में मॉडल होगा, कुछ वो लोग फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब अगर आप उनके अगर चेक करो कि उन्होंने 2025 तक दिखाया है कि उनकी जो एडवर्टाइजिंग रेवेन्यू है इट इज इंक्रीजिंग, डबल से भी ज्यादा इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. अगर आज उनका कुछ 1 है तो 2.5 रुपीज होने वाला है. तो 150% बढ़ने वाला है 2025 तक. तो उसका मेजर बेनिफिट किसको मिलेगा? फिल्म्स को मिलेगा, म्यूजिक को मिलेगा, वेब सीरीज को मिलेगा, इनको ही मिलने वाला है.
राइट.
तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है कि ये तो खाली मैंने बताया आपको जो कंटेंट यूजर जनरेट करता है. उसके अलावा अगर हमारे म्यूजिक अच्छी है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, कभी कॉम्पिटिशन, माय कॉम्पिटिशन इज ऑल्सो रिलीजिंग म्यूजिक, बट अगर मैंने अच्छे गाने बना दिए तो मेरे गाने को स्पेस मिलेगी ना. मेरे गाने चलेंगे, बाकी के चले नहीं चले मुझे ऐसे कोई लेना देना नहीं. तो मुझे दोनों तरफ से सोचना है कि एक तो मैं अपने अच्छी म्यूजिक बनाऊं कि जो मैं अपने कंपटीशन में भी थोड़ी अपनी स्पेस और करके 1-2% और मैं मार्केट शेयर भी अपना बढ़ाऊं, प्लस मेरी नंबर्स की भी ग्रोथ है. सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन ऑल द फ्रंट्स और रास्ता निकालना पड़ेगा.
ठीक है. तो ये मिनिमम गारंटी जो रहती है ये क्वार्टरली बेसिस पे रहती है कि एनुअल मिनिमम गारंटी रहता है?
नहीं, वो एनुअल डील्स होते हैं. क्वार्टर में तो इतने तो फिर तो बहुत परेशानी हो जाएगी हर क्वार्टर में डील करना. तो बनी क्वार्टर में होते हैं लेकिन डील एनुअल होती है.
अच्छा, जो ओवरफ्लो है वो एनुअल बेसिस पे देखेंगे?
हाँ जी, यस.
अच्छा सर, लास्टली एक क्वेश्चन, बेस्ड ऑन आपने अभी जो भी अपने प्लेटफॉर्म्स में आपका स्ट्रीमिंग शेयर देखा है जी, उसके बेसिस पे आपको लगता है जब रिन्यू होगा डील अपना तो आपकी जो मिनिमम गारंटी होगी वो सब्सटैंशियली इंक्रीज होना चाहिए।
क्या है ना, वो मेरे को क्या लगता है कि इसमें भी ना 70-80% जो लोग हैं ना वो आपके रेवेन्यू शेयर पे हैं। बाकी एक दो ऐप हैं जो आपको रेवेन्यू शेयर देते हैं और आपको एमजीज देते हैं, तो वो उसमें थोड़ी खिटपिट होती है। कोई ऐप 25% पे भी मान जाता है, कोई 15 पे मानता है, कोई 10 पे मानता है। तो बट ओवरऑल इफ यू सी कि किसी ने मुझे 100% भी रेवेन्यू ज्यादा दिया, तो मैं ओवरऑल अगर देखता हूं तो मेरे को 25-30% का इफेक्ट दिखता है
मिनिमम गारंटी।
या बट मिनिमम गारंटी ज्यादा नहीं है। व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मिनिमम गारंटी ज्यादा नहीं है। ओनली 1 or 2 पार्टीज आर इन दैट ब्रैकेट, जो इंडियन ओटीटी प्लेयर्स हैं, कि उनके सिस्टम्स अभी उतने इम्प्रूव नहीं है। वो सब अभी कर रहे हैं, वो सब लगे हुए हैं अच्छी तरह से। दे आर इम्प्रूविंग देयर सिस्टम, दे आर इम्प्रूविंग देयर सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस, वो सब कर रहे हैं, वो सब लगे हुए हैं उसमें।
Right. So, international platform like Spotify and everyone, wherein we have gone to Warner.
Yeah.
उनके केसेस में तो सर होगा ना मिनिमम गारंटी?
नहीं, वो तो हमको वार्नर ने दे दिया ना, हमने वार्नर से मिनिमम गारंटी ले ली ना। वो वार्नर उनके साथ उनका क्या है, वर्ल्ड जो उनका क्या बोलते हैं, एंटायर वर्ल्ड की डील है ना। स्पॉटिफाई, एप्पल, अमेजोन के साथ वार्नर की वर्ल्ड वाइड डील है। तो हम भी इनडायरेक्टली उसके पार्ट आ गए। तो वो हमको उसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने जो रेवेन्यू शेयर है, जो स्पॉटिफाई रेवेन्यू शेयर सबको देते हैं, वो रेवेन्यू शेयर में हमको उन्होंने उतना हमको मिल रहा है पैसा। अगर हमारा ओवरफ्लो होगा तो वार्नर विल पे अस ओवरफ्लो।
राइट। ओके, गॉट इट सर, थैंक यू।
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Manan Shah from Moneybee Securities. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. Thanks for the opportunity and congratulations for the set of numbers. सर मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि जब अब हमारा कोई लाइब्रेरी में से कोई सॉन्ग अगर रीमेक होता है, तो फॉर दैट डू वी इनकर एनी एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट और हाउ डज दैट गो अबाउट?
एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट नहीं होती है, खाली उसको जो रिक्रिएशन के लिए जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर होगा, लिरिसिस्ट होगा, या आपका जो लिरिसिस्ट सिंगर होगा, एंड जो फिर वीडियो बनाएंगे हम लोग, जो नया वीडियो बनाएंगे, उसका जो कॉस्ट लगेगा वो लगेगा बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं देना।
Okay. So then compared to acquiring a new song, how much would that turn out to be? Like कितना differential होगा उस दोनों के बीच में?
वो भी प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, उसमें भी फर्क होता है। कोई भी गाना नया हो या रिक्रिएशन हो, मैं ये कंप्लीट कॉस्ट 5 लाख में भी कर सकता हूँ और 5 करोड़ में 10 करोड़ भी स्पेंड कर सकता हूँ। मेरे ऊपर है मैं कैसे करता हूँ। पर वी डोंट गेट क्रेजी, वी बी वेरी रीजनेबल ऑन दैट, कि हमको मालूम है कि इसकी ताकत इतनी है, तो वी बी वेरी रीजनेबल विद दैट।
Okay. And whenever we acquire any new song, then over what period of time do we recover our investment based on your past experience? Just if you can just throw some light on that. Like, do we recover in 3 years or in the first year itself? Or
see, मेरा मानना है कि that should be, we should recover those in 2 to 3 years, but still we have to really वर्क ऑन दैट मॉडल कि इसकी हम लोग रिकवरी पैटर्न क्या बनाए। उसमें हमारे कई सवाल हैं जो कि हम इंटरनली वी आर डिबेटिंग दैट पॉइंट, कि हाउ वी कीप सेपरेट अकाउंट्स। जैसे हम आप लोगों से बात करते हैं तो आपका ये क्वेश्चन आता है, तो वी विल कम टू दैट कंक्लूजन सून। आपको हम बताएंगे ये क्योंकि दिस ईयर वी हैव अ मेजर रिलीजेस, बट नॉट वेरी बिग कॉस्ट मेजर रिलीजेस। वी हैव अ रीजनेबल कॉस्ट वाइज, बट रिलीजेस आर देयर। तो इस साल हम कुछ करेंगे उसके लिए। वी विल कम बैक टू यू इन नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर।
Okay. And the kind of deal that we had signed with Atif Aslam some time back, are we looking at any such deal with some other upcoming artists in the recent future?
Yes. We have signed 5 artists. And recently we have launched Sameer Khan. You must have heard his Ek Rishta song that Ek Bewafa hai, and another song also we released of him, Saza. They are doing well. So we launched him a 360 degree. वो जो भी करेंगे, shows करेंगे, events करेंगे, whatever money he makes, we are part of it.
Okay. And just lastly on my side, you mentioned that this 37.3 crore is an advance that we have received. However, in the balance sheet, the same has been shown as employee benefit obligation. I believe that is some typing error or something. You can just clarify?
Clarify this.
Yes, there was a repetition of a line item which we have corrected and informed to stock exchange yesterday.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. That will be all from my side.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Akshay Sam from Sam Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi, Turani sir. Sir, एक question था. Sir, we had some dispute with Gaana.com last year.
Yeah.
And they have the highest market share in terms of music platform, 30% के आसपास market share India में. And where are we? Are we renegotiating with them? Or if you could throw some light, what was the dispute about? Why didn't we agree on the deal? If you could just throw some light on that.
See, it was actually a sheer battler last year. जो हमारा जो contract था 2 years का, that came in May. और May was a peak of lockdown, अगर आपको याद होगा. And suddenly everybody was confused कि क्या होने वाला है, पता नहीं क्या नहीं हो रहा है. There were very uncertain times. तो उस टाइम पे हमारा आए and तभी उन्होंने हमें बताया कि हम आपको कोई रेज नहीं देंगे एमजी में. तो we said कि no, you are giving to everybody. All the companies have got raise of 15%, 20%, 35%. Why don't you give us? We have so many new releases, so we can't allow you to do that. तो थोड़ा वो उसमें हो गया था. तो हमारा कंटेंट उन्होंने नहीं रखा. बोला कि ठीक है, हम नहीं करेंगे आपके साथ भी. हम भी बोला नो प्रॉब्लम, don't use my content. So हमने उतार दिया. But now recently, I think उनका CEO चेंज हुए हैं. उनका कुछ नया, क्योंकि कोई भी ऐप होगा ना, जितने भी ये ऐप्स हैं, अगर उनके पास किसी भी कंपनी का कंटेंट नहीं है तो उस ऐप को बहुत तकलीफ होती है. एक बार गुस्से में या एक बार उनकी थिंकिंग की वजह से वो उतार देते हैं कि ठीक है मुझे टिप्स नहीं चाहिए. बट देन ही रियलाइज किया पूरा 90s का तो म्यूजिक ही राइट ऑफ हो गया. इफ यू आप लोग जितने भी मेरे इन्वेस्टर मेरे को सुन रहे हो, प्लीज गो एंड सी टिप्स ऑफिशियल. हमारा यूट्यूब पे आप चैनल चेक कीजिएगा आप, और वो चैनल से आप अपने फैमिली से बच्चों से पूछेगा ये गाने कैसे हैं. तो दे नोबडी कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट दोज सॉन्ग्स. सो दे रियलाइज दैट. एंड बट उन्होंने क्या हुआ लास्ट ईयर, दे चेंज देयर फोकस. जो टिकटॉक एक जो ऐप बैन की थी इंडिया ने, तो उनको लगा कि यहाँ पर टिकटॉक वाज डूइंग वेरी वेरी वेल शॉर्ट कंटेंट पे. तो उनका लगा कि ये बहुत अच्छा ऐप है, हम भी गाना पे वो लॉन्च करेंगे सर्विस शॉर्ट ऐप्स का. तो उन्होंने शॉर्ट ऐप्स पे पूरा फोकस किया, पूरे पैसे डाले, बहुत ज्यादा पैसे खर्च किए. प्लस उन्होंने क्या किया, सिंगल सॉन्ग्स का एक्सक्लूसिव हम डील करेंगे आर्टिस्ट के साथ डायरेक्ट, उसमें बहुत पैसे खर्च किए. बट अल्टीमेटली दे रियलाइज कि दे आर नॉट माना विदाउट टिप्स दे कांट, नहीं होगा अच्छा. एंड ये सब जो हमने किया बहुत गलती की. ऑन द कॉन्ट्री उनकी टोटलिटी में ऐप बहुत नीचे आ गई. मैं माना उनके नंबर्स अभी रिसेंटली वी स्पोक गाना एंड वी स्पोक टू ईच अदर. हमने बात करी एंड दे ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि नहीं ये बहुत ही बड़ा एक हमने गड़बड़ किया है ये. और उन्होंने वो जो शॉर्ट एप्स जो किए थे, शॉर्ट कंटेंट का जो किया था डिवीजन, वो टोटली बंद कर दिया, स्टॉप. एंड वो न्यू रिलीजेस भी बंद कर दिया, स्टॉप. एंड दे आर टॉकिंग टू अस अगेन. आई एम होपफुल कि अगले 1 महीने में शायद हम वो डील हो जाएगा हमें.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Mayur Gardani from Om Portfolio. Please go ahead.
Hi. Thank you for the opportunity, sir, and good evening. Sir, I just wanted to check on the film business when that's demerged. What is the revenue stream from there, sir? आपकी जो पुरानी फिल्म्स हैं वो वहाँ ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी, so they will continue to do deals with the broadcasters, so वहाँ से कुछ रेवेन्यू आएगा, नया फिल्म करेंगे उसका रेवेन्यू आएगा. Can you just throw some more light on that, please?
See, वहाँ भी I expect कि बहुत अच्छा रेवेन्यू आएगा, but actually we have not worked on that. अभी at present we are, I told you एक.
तुम्ही ज्या व्यक्तीशी बोलत आहात त्याने तुमच्या कॉलला होल्डवर ठेवला आहे, कृपया लाइन.
Hello.
Right. That was one of the speakers. I've muted.
Yeah. Yes, please. Yeah. So I think अभी तक हमें वो जो फिल्म कंपनी के साइड we have not taken उसकी क्या हमारे प्लान है, माइंड में है हमारे बहुत सारी बातें. We'll come back to you on this. आप 1 क्वार्टर या 2 क्वार्टर और प्लीज वेट करें. जैसे ये डीमर्ज होता है तो we will also do similar exercise on film side also.
Okay. बट इसकी म्यूजिक राइट्स आपके पास रहेगी या फिर जो फिल्म है उसकी म्यूजिक राइट किसके पास रहेगी, आपके पास रहेगी कि टिप्स फिल्म में चली जाएगी?
सी वैसे कंपनियां तो दोनों अलग है. दे कैन वी कैन माना इट्स माय माना वी आर द मेन मेजर प्रमोटर. हम बाहर भी दे सकते हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हम अगर दोनों कंपनी के जो प्रमोटर्स हम साथ हैं, सेम शेयर होल्डर्स हैं, हो सकता है कि कुछ शेयर होल्डर्स आगे चेंज भी हो जाए, तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी तो टिप्स को ही जाएगी. अगर टिप्स का जो मार्केट वैल्यू है या आपस में वी हैव टू कम टू अ सॉल्यूशन कि हाउ वी हैंडल दैट पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी तो टिप्स म्यूजिक को देनी चाहिए और उनका हक बनता है मेरे ख्याल से.
मैं पूछ रहा था एग्जिस्टिंग जो फिल्म ऑलरेडी आपने प्रोड्यूस की है उसके राइट्स तो टिप्स फिल्म.
हाँ, वो तो टिप्स में ऑलरेडी वो अभी जो डीमर्ज होंगे ना, उसमें जो फिल्म राइट्स वहां जाएंगे फिल्म कंपनी में,
जैसे इनके सबके म्यूजिक राइट्स हैं वो टिप्स में रिटेन होंगे, म्यूजिक कंपनी में रिटेन होंगे।
ओके, तो म्यूजिक कंपनी में रिटेन होंगे वो राइट?
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली।
ठीक, फेयर। एंड कोई बजट है सर जो आप अपने रखा है कि टिप फिल्म्स विल कंटिन्यू टू मेक 2-3 फिल्म्स अ ईयर और उसका बजट 10 करोड़ होगा, 50 करोड़ होगा? I mean, any kind of budget, or you want to go for real large scale or small scale movies?
नहीं, वो हमारे different scale पे plan चल रहे हैं। We need a funding also for that company. There has to be something extraordinary, उसकी planning होनी पड़ेगी, or we have to have a partner with us, production partner, before even making the film, which is possible today. So there is many opportunities. We are exploring all those. We'll come back to you. बात करेंगे आपसे।
Sure. Thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Gurjot Ahluwalia, individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, thank you for the opportunity. So I just want to understand what percentage of the revenue is coming from international companies versus your domestic companies. So like Facebook, Spotify, YouTube, everyone combined international. What percentage of the revenue?
See, मेरे ख्याल से these are companies are international, but they are major businesses in India. So,
I mean, I would consider them as international players.
Okay, so international player, you can say around 60%.
Okay, 60%. Okay,
yeah.
Thank you. And secondly, just on the capital allocation, so it was discussed previously, right, that you may increase the dividend payout going forward. So I just want to like probe further on that, right? So if let's say we are doing 100 crore of revenue right now, like 90, anything around here, right? So I am assuming we should easily be able to do profit after tax of 40 to 50 crores after including your content acquisition cost, 20 crore cost of running business, etc. Right?
Yes.
In 40 to 50 crore, correct? Today, I mean, this year's dividend payout is about 6 crore, I think. So shouldn't we have like much higher dividend payout, because otherwise investors will get the feeling that company is just holding on cash, right? Because any year, if any year you want to increase the content acquisition also, if you want to take it up to 40-50 crore of content acquisition cost, so that your dividend can be less because company has a lot of big margin. So just want to understand, like in terms of either buyback or dividend payout increase.
Even this year, we last June we had a buyback. आप शायद पता नहीं आप थे, you have tracked that 19 crores we given in buyback, and then after that I think 1.5 rupees I given on dividend as well. So मेरे ख्याल से 21 crores हमने नहीं, maybe more, 2 crores dividend and 19 crores buyback. So 21 crores plus tax जो भी उसका हमें भरना था buyback पे, वो हमने भरा था 22-23 crores we given. तो देंगे ना, क्यों नहीं देंगे? Yes, of course we should give.
Okay, so that is the expectation, like going forward this will be the run rate.
अगर एक company is making money और company के पास अगर spare cash है, why company should hold? Company should give to his shareholders. Why not?
Okay, great. Thanks for clarifying. Just one last thing I want to point out. I have noticed that in the YouTube channel, the subscribers I see is 42 million. And in the slides and also on the con call today, it was mentioned that the subscribers is 54 million. So there is a gap of some 10-12 million subscribers.
No. Actually, we have 10-15 channels in YouTube. So you must have seen only one channel, Tips Official. There's a Tips Janka, Tips Marathi, Tips Gujarati, Tips Bhakti Prem. So many channels we have. So combine करेंगे तो उतना है. Combined total strength we have to count on.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks for clarifying.
We have around 12-13 channels. आप एक बार ऊपर जाएंगे ना, Tips all channels you can type, you will find everything on there.
Got it. Well, thank you so much. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you.
The next question is from the line of Tarveer Shapuri from Nidara Capital. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. So one quick accounting question. आपने बोला था you have 37 crores of advances from customers.
Yeah.
This would be for how many years, sir? कितने साल में होगा revenue?
ये इसमें जो एक मेजर है, उसमें एक इसमें समझो 6 सितंबर to जून 3 क्वार्टर हो गए. 2 years और 3 quarters का है एक डिपॉजिट, बाकी 1 year के हैं.
Okay, so next year we should see more than half, I think, coming in.
See, इसमें आप you take it as a 3 years में सब clear हो जाएंगे ना, and more advances we will see. Yes, why not?
Understood. Second, sir, you said your aspiration is to be the number 3 player eventually, at least from where you are now. So how big is the number 3 player?
How big is number 3 player?
Yeah.
Number 3 players must be in the range of 170 and 200 के बीच में. Top line.
And sir, my last question is, this new thing has come in the digital world called NFT. Have you heard of it, thought of it? Is it something you are even thinking of?
Yes, we have thought of it. We have thought of it and we are working on that. So let's see क्या कर सकते हैं.
And so lastly, I think somebody spent a lot of time asking you about revenue models and so on and such. Can you again share with us how subscription, if it increases, how it changes your revenue trajectory?
The subscription जिस दिन model music में properly आ गया, and if everybody is on that, then this business can really multiply. माना ये जो 25-30% is nothing. Then we are talking about कि ये year on year 70-80% growth कैसे होगी? Subscription में तो वैसे होगा एक बार, क्योंकि subscription.
Sir, I want to stop you. I'll give you an example right now. Sorry, I'm interrupting you. But जैसे किसी ने पूछा था कि you have some advance from, you have one-time payment from somebody coming. So right now the business model is one-time. Sometimes it is no one-time and just recurring revenue from streaming.
Yeah.
So if more people in India will start subscribing to Gaana, Spotify, whatever it is, eventually आपको subscription का share मिलेगा और streaming का share मिलेगा. How do you think it will play out?
See क्या अभी भी at present also there is a 2 models they work on. एक तो subscription model है, एक streaming है with ad base.
Right.
इंडिया में ad base कभी बंद नहीं होगा, but अगर subscription अगर एक substantial हो गया, आप simple ऐसे calculation करो ना, अगर कल after say 4 years or 5 years or 3 years, अगर एक total इंडिया में 10 crore people are subscribing, and I am saying चलो 100 rupees नहीं जाते हैं, only 50 rupees a month, तो 600 अगर कोई कस्टमर देता है साल का, और अगर 10 करोड़ कस्टमर है तो कितने पैसे होते हैं? आई डोंट, मेरे को तो नंबर भी पता नहीं कितना नंबर होगा. या अगर आप कितना होगा? 6,000 करोड़ होगा
अब. हाँ, 6,000 करोड़ सर.
यस. तो अगर 6,000 करोड़ होता है तो 6,000 करोड़ में आप गवर्नमेंट का 1,000 करोड़ टैक्स काट दो. ये जो OTT वाले प्लेयर्स हैं उनका 1,000-1,500 करोड़ उनका काट दो. अभी 4-5 हजार करोड़ रुपए इंडस्ट्री में आएगा ना, तो 4-5 हजार इंडस्ट्री में तो ये बहुत पैसे हो गए ना. आज तो इंडस्ट्री सिर्फ 1700-1800-1600 करोड़ की है. तो आप सोचो क्या
ये तो अगर आप इफ यू आर रीडिंग की इंडस्ट्री सिर्फ 1700-2000 करोड़ की है, तो ये इंडस्ट्री नंबर कैन, इफ सब्सक्रिप्शन कम्स, ड्रामेटिकली चेंज देन.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली. फॉर इंटरनेशनल, व्हाट हैपेंड इंटरनेशनली, आप वार्नर, यूनिवर्सल, सोनी म्यूजिक जो है, ये जो 3 बड़े प्लेयर हैं, उनके आप देखो ना लास्ट 4-5 साल में क्या हुआ उनके साथ चमत्कार. ये सब्सक्रिप्शन रेवेन्यू तो आई है उनके पास.
So, and coming back to this NFT, sir, how are you thinking about it? कैसे मतलब कुछ, how are you?
Because NFT में अभी is too new.
Right.
And हमने my son Greece is looking for that कि क्या है ये क्या, किसमें क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग. हमारे पास बहुत सारा ऐसा कंटेंट है जो कि अभी हमने रिलीज नहीं किया है, and we have a premium content which can be targeted for that. So we are still exploring. We don't know anything about. खाली सुना है NFT है, and we know कि few pieces or selling or a few people are investing so much money in that. We are aware of that. बाकी हमने उसमें हमारी क्या बोलते हैं, our brain has started working on that, but we will come back to you on that.
Okay, perfect, sir. Thank you so much. Good luck for everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Due to time constraint, this was considered as the last question of this conference. I would now like to hand the conference over to Mr. Kumar Taurani for closing comments.
Yeah. मेरे ख्याल से if we can increase for 5 minutes in case few people have something to do, no problem, we can talk.
Sure, sir. Then the next question is from the line of Shivam Saxena from ICICI Bank. Please go ahead.
Yeah, just wanted to understand what is the acquisition, if you are doing acquisition for films, so it will come in this company going forward or in the other film company that has been demerged, and how the revenue stream would work?
At present, we have no plan to acquire any film. We are in this music company, we acquire only music, and in the film company, we make our own films, where we have entire control on creative.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Vivek Gautam from GS Investment. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Congratulations for excellent set of numbers. My one query is about, say, Bollywood unfortunately does not have a very positive impression in the corporate governance part. And our board of directors comprises mostly of the family members only. You have been very experienced. But any plans of professionalizing the board, sir? And so that at least get the prize earning and the corporate governance gets better multiple.
मेरे ख्याल से that's the wrong impression I think you have. We, on the contrary, we have two directors on the board, me and my brother Ramesh Taurani, and there is a Radhika Pereira, and she is a director or a partner in Amarchand Mangaldas company, law company, big company. She's partner, she's director on the board, and then there is this gentleman called Amitabh Mundra. He is a chairman and managing director of Simplex, big company, and there is another gentleman called Venkatraman Iyer. He also have all financial background with him. So it was 3 by 1. Then there is a new rule came out last 6 months back. You have to have one member from the company, one more member from the company itself. So I said, we have to train our new generation. So I made Girish Taurani as a director, executive director. He doesn't speak anything in the meetings, board meeting. And the audit committee chairman is Mr. Amitabh Mundra, as required. We follow all the guidelines. We have all the auditors in place. So I think that is I don't know, it's a perception or what. It's a perception problem, I think, maybe.
Some perception problem is definitely there with regard to Bollywood, sir.
But see, Bollywood let me tell you, Bollywood, as I told you earlier, कि पहले जो companies ने, tell me कि आज हम 2001 we did IPO. Unfortunately, that market has changed. Cassette CD में से suddenly it became a piracy market. Radio came in big effect. Radio given us a big effect. MP3 came in. All music business ही खत्म हो गए थे. फिर slowly mobile and then this digital business happened. Digital world happened. It's a new world came in. So we survived. But in those periods also we have not diverted कि हम कुछ और business करेंगे ये करेंगे. We focused कि हम यही business करेंगे. And at that time कितने companies आए थे public limited, कितने TV companies आए थे. But touchwood we survived. भले हमारा we have never thought कि मेरा शेयर मेरा 50 रुपया है. At that time also my company was much more valuable. But I have never thought of कि मेरे को stock market में क्या, why should I play stock market अपने आप अगर मेरे result आएंगे तो stock market will automatically will shake it up, अपने आप आएंगे. So we always considered कि business करेंगे हम लोग proper and business पे ध्यान देंगे. तो बाकी कंपनियां तो आप देखो कितने कंपनीज है, कितनों ने क्या क्या खेल नहीं खेले हैं, आप सब जानते हो. तो आई थिंक अभी नाउ टाइम हैज कम कि रियल कंपनीज विल सर्वाइव. बाकी जो ऐसे स्टॉक होंगे जिनके पास लाइब्रेरी कुछ है नहीं, तो शायद जैसे हम हैं या अदर कंपनीज आर टॉकिंग टू यू पीपल. तो एक्चुअली इनडायरेक्टली वी आर ऑल्सो एडवाइजिंग और मेकिंग यू लर्न अवर बिजनेस.
Correct, sir. So opportunity size is robust for the next 4-5 years. And जो कंटेंट के लिए सर जो फाइट हो रही है आजकल, जैसे बादशाह का अभी आई डोंट नो व्हाट प्राइस सारेगामा एंड आई थिंक अदर पीपल गॉट राइटर, तो वो हमारे लिए हाउ डू वी प्लान टू टैकल दैट सर? मतलब बिकॉज फ्यू नेम्स आर बिग नेम्स.
क्या ना हम लड़ाई में नहीं है. और एक बात अच्छी है कि हमने पीछे हमारी जो लाइफ है ना इस बिजनेस में नहीं है. 35-40 साल का हमें एक्सपीरियंस है कैसे क्रिएट करना है, क्या प्राइस में क्रिएट करना है. और हमारे पास अपना एक बहुत अच्छा आर्म है फिल्म्स का. आप अगर हमारे जो लास्ट 15 साल का रिकॉर्ड देखिए, आतिफ असलम वी गिवन, अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, रेस ब्रांड, रमैया अवस्था भैया, फटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो, ऑल गुड फिल्म्स वी हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड. एंड उनके म्यूजिक अगर आज भी अगर वो सब आप म्यूजिक देखो तो इट विल कम. अगर इंडस्ट्री के अगर टॉप 50 करेंगे तो 20 आज भी टिप्स के होंगे. और आपको एक और बात बता दूं टू ऑल माई इन्वेस्टर्स, इवन टुडे top 5 songs on YouTube is tips. Okay. जो आर्टिस्ट हैं उदित नारायण, अलका याग्निक, कुमार सानू एंड टू आर्टिस्ट भोजपुरी. उसकी आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि एक्सक्लूसिव टिप्स है, बट इनका मेजॉरिटी कंटेंट टिप्स के पास है.
Okay sir, okay. Keep up the good work sir, and really nice and what you have done, and tailwinds are also there. Let's hope for the best sir. Thank you very much sir.
Thank you.
Now we can finish this. No problem.
No problem, sir. So then I hand over to you for closing comments.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for joining us. I hope we have been able to answer all your queries. In case you require any further details you may, please contact us or Orient Capital, our investor relations partners. Thank you. Thank you so much.